1, 2, 3, 4. H-I, J-K, L-M-N-O-P-Q.
Oh, that sounds like a very secret coded message.
Try. Oh, so that's not how you spell my name.
How do you spell your name? Emerson's sleeping. Don't wake him up, please. Keep your giggles to a dull roar, girl. You're gonna fall over.
Stop chasing me.
Okay. Do you want to say hi to Grandma or Grandpa or Uncle Michael or thank you to anyone?
Tortilla, Uncle Michael.
Tortilla, Uncle Michael?
Yes. I think the code should be 1, 2, B-L-H-P.
What does that spell?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Alright, goodbye. Do you have any goodbyes now?
Goodbye, Uncle Michael. Good night,